flat disc would work. Maybe, just maybe, if I put a much newer one on here. Oh, and these are Walter discs. They're not Harbor Freight jobs. Because one thing I've learned with abrasives, pick a decent brand like Walter or Benchmark or something reasonable, because abrasive explosions are not my kind of excitement. Why am I doing this? Because I don't have a very fine angle grinder bench. What's that song? Time to do some sketchy shit. Sketchy shit. Yeah, pretty much. Sketchy is the word. Let me go like this. See if I can get this. Where did I put the damn thing? There's one. That one gets. There we go. Yep, put that one on there. Awesome. Take that off. I want it just enough to stay on there. Because next, I'm going to drop it on a buffing wheel. See? It's got a thing, and I'll see what the hell I can do next. Let me show you what I'm doing here. Anyway, I had to get the crazy grinder marks off it. And now that it's a little better, I got this one and this 80 grit. Probably boop it over there in the grinder. Not the grinder, the buffer, and see how that works. So stay tuned, I'll show you. Anyway, folks. Oops. So much for that, huh? Let me see. Get up here. So anyway, this is what it should look like. Here's the handle piece, which if I go down like this here, this should be inside of here, like so. Why am I not putting it in there right now? Because it won't fit in there right now, because a piece of, well, actually, let me, wait, I'll see if I can get it to fit in there. Hold on. Well, believe it or not, it does fit in here. So anyway, this is what, I don't know if I'm going to just tack weld this thing. Maybe I'll TIG weld it. I'll just do a little TIG tack on there and TIG tack on here. But I left a little meat on here so I could possibly peen it down, but I have a feeling I'm going to destroy this. So I'm going to try to polish these as much as I can. This is polished steel, and maybe I'll just put two little tiggy jiggies in there and leave it at that. But this is so far what I got. I gotta clean these up. They look like shit. They're nice and smooth from the buffer. But yeah, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So far, this is how far I've got in the Wilton. And it's a stretch, because if I ever, do I have the original ones here? Hold on. The original piece are horrible. Wait, hold on, let me show you. Hold on a second. Anyway, this is the new one, and this is the original. You can see quite the difference in how shitty would look if I left it on there. I don't know if they left it in a river or something, but it looks a heck of a lot nicer than it did before. So, ta-da! That's before, this is after. Are they exactly the same? No, but I don't care. I'm making them the way I want to. So yeah, stay tuned and we will finish up with this Wilton vise eventually. Basically, I have a couple little things to finish up on here, like this, and paint, and hopefully be on the bench for the rest of its days. But yeah, these are the see, before and after here. See, I made it a little fatter. It's still a little rough. I should have, like, I don't know. I might, if I glue it on there and put it back in the lathe, I could probably, what do you call it, put some sandpaper on, just, or if I can just bang it down, but I'll figure it out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles. I'll try to get this up this week, and don't forget to click some buttons and enjoy.